Can you say come here? Come here. Huh? Can you say come here? How about if I go get some treats? Have you been talking, Ollie? Have you been talking like a good girl? Hi. Good girl for talking. I know it was you. It wasn't Jesse. Gave him kind of a big treat there. Kind of taking a little bit too long to eat it, but that's okay. Say, how are you? Good job. Ollie, can you say come here?
Yeah.
Good job. Jesse, can you say the same? Nope, that's not what that is. What's this?
Yeah.
Good job. Ollie, can you sneeze? Good job. What kind of bird are you, Jesse? Good job. Hey, Ollie, come here. Come over here. Good boy. Good job. Okay, Jesse, can you dance? Good job. Can you bark? Jesse, can you bark? Good job. Ollie. Yes? No? Good job. Say, good job. Say, how are you?
How are you? Hello?
Good girl. Can you say bark for cracker?
How are you?
Can you say bark for cracker?
How are you?
Bark for cracker?
Yeah.
Bark for cracker? Bark for cracker? Ollie, can you sneeze? Sneeze? Achoo! Ollie, can you sneeze? Look. Achoo! Ollie, can you whistle? Whistle. Jesse, can you whistle? Good girl. Ollie. Good girl. Good. Jesse? Good. Ready? Good. Okay, ready? Hello.
Hello?
How are you?
How are you? Yeah.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hi, Jesse.
Hi, Jesse.
Bark like a dog. Bark. Bark, Jesse, bark. Always barking. Bark. Jesse, bark. Wah, 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 wah. Good job. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Say, how are you?
How are you?
Say, pretty bird. Test. Say, pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Good girl. And say, hi, Jess.
Hi, Jesse.
Good job. Can you laugh? Can you laugh? That's a little bit better.